Hi everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to cancel Discord Nitro subscription on PC and mobile using either the desktop app or the Discord website in your browser. Once Discord loads, look at the bottom left corner of the screen. Here, you will see a cogwheel icon next to your username. Click on the icon to open user settings. After the settings page opens, look at the left-hand sidebar and scroll until you find the subscriptions option. Click on it to view your active subscription details. On this page, you will see your Discord Nitro plan, along with the billing information and renewal details. Now, click on the cancel button shown on the Discord Nitro banner. Discord will then display a screen explaining all the features and perks that will be removed once Nitro is cancelled. Carefully review this information, then click continue to move forward. After that, click confirm to finalize the cancellation. Your Discord Nitro subscription is now cancelled. Even after cancelling, you can still use all Nitro features, such as custom emojis and boosted upload limits until the end of your current billing cycle. Now, if you purchase Discord Nitro using your mobile phone, the cancellation process must be done through the App Store. First, open the Discord app on your Android or iPhone. At the bottom of the screen, tap on your profile picture icon to open your profile page. On the profile screen, tap the cogwheel icon in the top right corner to open settings. Scroll down until you find the billing section. Then tap on Manage Nitro. On the next screen, tap Cancel next to the Switch Plans option. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking if you want to proceed. Tap Continue at the bottom. You will now be redirected to the Google Play Store on Android or the Apple App Store on iPhone. Here, locate your Discord Nitro subscription and complete the cancellation directly from the App Store subscription settings. Once this done, your Discord Nitro subscription will be cancelled successfully. Just like on PC, you still have access to all Nitro features until your current billing period ends. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.